In the name of Almighty Allah, which is most merciful and mighty, welcome to the video channel viewers. Today we have a very iconic and notorious sniper rifle M24 American. It's a wonderful rifle being used in many wars, in Iraq war, in Afghanistan war. It is a wonderful rifle indeed. M24 is just a name given by the US Army. It is Remington model 700, chamber and 308 or 7.62 by 51 Nato. Viewers, this rifle is a long bolt action rifle actually, and it has been designed for a short cartridge 7.62 by 51. M24 is a notorious sniper rifle regularly used by the American Scout snipers in Afghanistan and Iraq and throughout the world. It's a wonderful rifle. It has been chambered in Lapua 338 also. Let's start from the buttstock. If the camera can get close, it's you can see its buttstock has a pad just to reduce the recoil when you shoot the rifle. Coming to the to rest the cheek on it, and the shooter couldn't quite bear the harshness of the weather, whether it is cool or whether it is hot. Viewers, it's just a Monte Carlo style buttstock, very famous in America, most convenient for the shooter to aim in the scope. Coming to the scope, it's zooming, fixed zooming scope has been mounted on it. Sport action is pretty smooth, as you can see. It can chamber 5 rounds at a time, and then you can shoot one by one. It's coming to the trigger. The trigger is pretty soft indeed, very just like a CZ, a PO7 duty pistol. Its barrel is pretty thick and really increasing the weight of the rifle. Its weight is almost 5.4 kg. A very heavy rifle. You can't shoot this rifle in the hand. You have to use the traditional bipod so that shooter can shoot conveniently. Wonderful scope. Its effective range is 800 meter, but it can shoot till 4,400 meter. Its maximum range. Viewers, the M24 has been adopted by the US Army in 1988 for the Marine Scout sniper, along with as you can say the range, but it is being used quite oftenly throughout the world in many wars, as I said earlier, in Iraq war, in Syrian war, in Afghanistan war. The rifle has been camouflaged by the US Army just according to the environment. As you can see, it has been roughly used in Afghanistan war and will shoot quite a lot of bad guys, I think. It is one of the most wonderful rifles I've ever seen in my life, viewers. Indeed, it is the most accurate rifle I have shot. In the later, inshallah al-Aziz, I will add a shooting video of this specific rifle. Hope you guys like the review and the rifle. Please subscribe and like my channel and give a thumbs up, and please leave your opinion in the comment section. Hope you guys like the video and review. See you in next video. Thank you very much.